how to view your purchase history on Temu app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can view all of your purchase history from your Temu account. So without any further ado, let us get started. Head over to your Temu application from your device and get logged into your Temu account. Now, in order to view the purchase history, you can simply tap on the search bar icon. From here, if you have searched for anything, you will be able to see it right here. Another way you can do it is by tapping onto this U icon at the bottom page and then tap onto your orders. Here you will see all the orders that you have made till now. You can also see your processing orders, the orders that has already been shipped or delivered, or any returns item. And just like so, this is how you can see it. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.